Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix not enough storage space on iPhone for iOS update. Some iPhone users have run into a problem where they do not have enough storage space on their device for the latest updates. For some of these users, when they check their iPhone storage, they seem to have enough space storage for the update. However, despite seeming to have enough space storage, they can't download and install the update. In this video, we will guide you tips for getting your iPhone updated when you are having this problem. We will also tell you why you can't update even though it may look like your iPhone has enough storage. This is because the amount of storage the message indicates is actually less than what you will need to see free in settings. It is unfortunate that there is not more accuracy here because that would help with the confusion, but the conclusion is the same either way. You will need to free up more storage to update your iPhone using an alternative method such as by connecting it to Mac or PC. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. To free up space on your iPhone, you must remove some items. For many people, this can be done by removing things they don't use anymore or don't use regularly. For example, you can offload apps that you have not used in a while, and if you want them back in the future, the app data will be still on your iPhone you have downloaded to free up space. To manage the storage on your iPhone, go to Settings and then scroll down and tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage. Wait until the page is loading. Tap Enable on the suggestions or tap Review things like video and audio files on your iPhone. You can also browse a list of apps they are listed in order to the storage space they are using. You can tap one of an app and then choose Offload app and then tap on Offload app again to confirm. Offloading will keep the app's documents and data. When you are done freeing up space, restart your iPhone before you try updating again and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of not enough storage space on iPhone for iOS update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.